Welcome to Bloodsport Stocks. This is NASDAQ here. My mission is just to talk about stocks and let the viewers discuss and vote to see if the stock is a buy or a sell. Market summary. Looks like last week's earnings weren't enough to propel the rally. ARM, Palantir, Shopify, Expedia, and Airbnb all announced earnings and dropped afterwards, with Palantir and Shopify dropping 20% post earnings. With only TSM and Robinhood up 4% or so after beating earnings. From what I can see, it seems like the risk profile is to the downside. Even if the stocks beat earnings, it might only go up a little. But if they miss, it's a 10 or 20% downside. This week, it's all about retail, with Walmart and Home Depot in the spotlight. Let's see how stocks did from our last show. Apple did nothing from last Monday to this Friday, with less than a percent drop. Even with Warren Buffett selling 13%, the stock seems to have found its footing. Amazon, as predicted, did good post earnings and is up 1.3% from last week. For those that bought Amazon and Apple pre-earnings, both did good. Good job. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Feel free to comment on the stocks we discuss. It's open a forum and discussion. Hopefully you can learn from each other. Comment below. Thumbs up for a buy or thumbs down for a sell. Let's get into it. Let's talk about this week's stocks. This week, it's about retail. With Walmart having a PE of 31.6. It's announcing earnings this Thursday, May 16th. And Home Depot, PE is 22.3, and is announcing their earnings on Tuesday, May 14th. For Walmart, it's a high-flying stocks at 60.16, and it's very close to its 52-week high of $61.66. For Home Depot, it's at $346.27, quite a bit lower than its 52-week high of $396.87. Pros. Walmart shows relative strength going into earnings. With a beat, it should easily break into new highs. Home Depot seems to be recovering from its last drop in its stock price. Good earnings would give it a good bounce. With the current state of the real estate market, with high interest rates, I believe people are spending to renovate their homes rather than to upgrade. Neutral. For Walmart and Home Depot, from last week's earnings, a beat might not equal to a jump in stock price. Cons. For Walmart, some retailers, such as McDonald's, have said that the consumer is fed up with price hikes and have seen the demand go down. So that might affect Walmart. My take on this week's stocks are, I believe the consumers is still very strong. I believe both Walmart and Home Depot will report good earnings. From the chart, I believe Home Depot would bounce and perform better than Walmart. So if I had a choice, I'll buy Home Depot. Remember, whether the trade is a win or a loss, at the end of the day, all you have is your own dignity. Have a good trading week. Sorry for missing last week's show. I was fortunate enough to attend the Berkshire Hathaway's investor meeting. I had a great time, and Berkshire and Omaha was a great host. From what I gathered, this company is super phenomenal. It makes $100 million a day and have over $180 billion in the bank. If there's another financial disaster, Warren can take advantage with that big piggy bank. This is definitely not a trading vehicle, but if you are a high-end, high net worth individual, buying this is almost like buying a treasuries with better gains and yields. I'll probably make a show on how to attend the meeting these few weeks, so don't miss out.